Have you dreamed of turning your passion for baking into business? Maybe your friends and family keep telling you you should start selling your cakes. It's exciting. But before you take your first order, here are 5 things every home baker should know. These lessons can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. The first one, don't wait until you are perfect. Many beginners think they need to master every technique before selling their first cake. The truth is, you don't. I've seen people spend a lot of money on classes and skills they don't even need yet. Start with basics. Take your first few orders and let your customers guide what you learn next. Grow your skills as your business grows. Second, treat it like a real business from day one. Before you sell anything, check your local rules. Can you legally bake from home? Do you need a permit, inspection, or license? What about insurance? It's not the fun part, but it protects you and your customers. Starting right gives you confidence to grow, and customers trust businesses that are professional, prepared, and legitimate. The next one, learn the business, not just the baking. Making the cake is only half the job. You will also be answering messages, ordering supplies, shopping for ingredients, planning your schedule, and managing customer expectations. Beautiful cakes may get you noticed. A well-run business keeps customers coming back. Fourth, your reputation is your biggest advertisement. When you are starting out, every cake is your advertisement. One happy customer can lead to many more through word of mouth. Focus on consistency. Be reliable. Deliver what you promise. Your reputation will become your biggest marketing tool. Fifth one, never stop learning. The cake industry is always changing. New techniques, new tools, new trends. The best cake artists aren't the ones who know everything. They are the ones who never stop learning. Stay curious. Take inspiration from others, but develop your own style over time. Never stop learning, but don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Starting a cake business is one of the most rewarding journeys you can take, but building it on the right foundation makes all the difference. In the next video, we'll answer one of the biggest questions every new baker asks. How much should I charge for my cakes? And trust me, it's about much more than flour, sugar, and butter. If you found this helpful, subscribe and let me know in the comments what's your biggest question about starting a cake business.